Welcome back to another video, guys, and in this video we are discussing the syntax of main method. So let's start this video. First I type the main method class. Okay, so we are creating our class. Now it is our main method is completed and it can be compiled successfully, and it is the required syntax for the main method. Okay, so we try to understand why it is required and what is the meaning of that. All right, so first word is public. तो पब्लिक इसे हमें इसलिए बनाना है ताकि जेवीएम जो है इसे कहीं से भी एक्सेस कर सके, लाइक फ्रॉम डिफरेंट फोल्डर, फ्रॉम डिफरेंट क्लासेस. इट हैज़ टू बी एक्सेसिबल फ्रॉम anywhere, so it has to be a public. And now static. So JVM calls the main method without creating its object. And we know that if we want to call our call any method or any variable access without creating the object of that class, so it has to be a static. All right, so that's why our main method is static, because JVM doesn't create the object of that class. It directly calls the main method. And again the next word is void. So JVM doesn't require any type of return from this method, so it has to be a void. All right, now main. And it is the configured name in the JVM and Java compiler that the entry point of any application should be named as main. All right, so हमें main name देना important है. How main name is configured in the JVM and compiler in Java. All right, so string array and args. And it is required for the command line argument. If we give any command line argument, so our main method should take it as an argument in a string array, and we can access in this method. All right, so I am showing you that how we can give a uh, run command line argument. All right, so हम यहाँ command line argument args हमारे पास आ गया है. एंड लाइक हम प्रिंट करके देखेंगे उसे. args at 0. So it is a string array. And let's compile our file. जाएंगे हम हमारी फाइल्स वाले फोल्डर में. कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट से कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट खोलेंगे. कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट के बाद हम इसे कंपाइल करेंगे. मेन syntax.java. All right, our file is successfully compiled. Now at the runtime we can give the command line argument, like I named my method is main. All right, main. And then I'm giving a two command line arguments like low and world. And it the command line argument goes into the args array which we created in the main method. While we enter, simply prints those value. All right, so that's how we can provide the command line argument. If it is not visible, I will zoom it. Okay, now it's visible. So at the runtime we are giving the two command line argument. First is hello, which is at 0th index in args array, and world, which is at first index in args array, and we print both of the string there. All right, so that's it for this video. Thank you.